and welcome to the third edition of ET Legal's Global Legal Convention 2026. We're live from Mumbai, and today we're joined by Mr. Hemant Kumar, Group Legal Advisor, Larsen Toubro. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us today. My first question to you would be about the volatility that's around. It's the only thing that has remained constant throughout. Now, while such kind of geopolitical tensions around, you coming from a larger group that has more sectors to look at, how do you go about your legal priorities? How should one navigate such terms from your perspective?
See, this current situation reminds me the period of COVID 2020. You're right that we are facing a lot of challenges, especially in L&T. We have a huge project in Middle East and UAE. Apart from this, other countries also. So my uh, view is that one has to go through the deeply each project document and accordingly take a decision. There is no state answer to any problem. Yeah, you can address the same on case to case basis. Say, for example, if you are dealing with Aramco, then you have to see the contract document with the Aramco. Second thing is that apart from understanding the legal position in India, one has to have the knowledge of law where you have the business. That is most important. And for that matter, I would suggest that one should not think and take a risk of knowing all the laws across the world. So you must consult the local lawyer who understand the local laws and take a call. Say, for example, I tell you, say in all contract there is a condition of force majeure. So in India, laws are there force majeure. Like other countries also, we have a force majeure conditions and contract also bears the force majeure clause. So sometimes force majeure clause uh, defines and includes war. But is the current situation is a war in UAE, in Middle East country. So these all these small things, if you understand carefully, then you can address the issue. And suppose there is a case where there is no force majeure clause, how you are going to protect the interest of the company. So there are provisions, we call it in India in doctrine of quasi contract. Similar provisions are there in Middle East, UAE, UK, USA, and those conditions are enforceable. So I think there is a good learning as well as you can find out the solution.
Sure, meaningful, sir. Over to my next question about artificial intelligence. Also, what we have, themed our entire conclave on Rise of the Digital Lawyer. My point is, while there is so much of discussion about artificial intelligence, there's also something called AI fatigue. We see companies racing up, under the garb of AI FOMO. Where is it really paying off? How do you think should India Inc. approach artificial intelligence? Where they should be careful about?
See, in my view, AI is a good technology, but one should be very, very careful applying this technology, especially in legal field. Recently, you must have seen that Chief Justice of India and other judges have cautioned some of the advocates who have just brought some uh, ABC case laws, which were never a case law, which were never decided by the Supreme Court in their pleading. So, and second thing, in my view, that AI cannot replace human brain or human position. So, always I suggest that you adopt the technology, but before introducing in totality, you must learn the technology. And how you are going to learn, that you discuss with your engineers, you discuss with other experts. Don't think that you, being a legal guy, you are expert on AI.
Right.
So be careful applying the AI. And I tell you, what is AI? AI is nothing but processing millions of data, and then you have a DPDP. So if you are illegally processing the data, you are creating a huge problem for the organization, and therefore you adopt the AI and but apply very carefully. And so, as regard the fatigueness, I don't see it is a fatigue issue. if you are applying in a proper and a correct manner.
Right.
That is my suggestion.
Sure. Thank you so much for
Thank you.
sharing your
Thank you very
thoughts,
much.
sir.
Thank you.
Stay tuned with us for all the updates coming your way.